Hey guys, it's Megan Duggan here. It's been a hot minute since I did my last video for you guys. So today what I'm going to be doing is a lot of YouTubers are following different YouTubers' makeup tutorials. So today I'm going to actually be following Sister James Charles's Holiday Glam makeup tutorial. As you can tell, I already have the base done. In the description below, I am going to be putting each product that I am using, and today we're going to be using all Arbonne products. So for the base, I did mix two liquid foundations together, the Buff and the Fair, as I do have a fair complexion. And then I set that with a translucent setting powder, went over with some bronzer, and then I contoured in my cheekbones, my forehead, as well as the bridge of my nose, because Sister Charles likes a snatched nose. And then today I'm going to be focusing on my eyelids. So in Sister Charles's tutorial, he goes in with a lot of orange colors and then deepens out the outer crease with orangey brown black tones, and then does a cut crease with a nice cream glitter. Since Arbonne does not carry a cream glitter currently, I made my own using the Opal glitter shade mixed with a little bit of setting spray or water, whichever you have on hand, and just mixing that till it comes to a cream-like consistency. So we're going to see how that goes and give it a try. So without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so as I stated before, I already had the base done on my face and my contouring and bronzer done. So I'm going to be focusing on the eyes today. So today I'm going to be using the Arbonne brush kit set. So in this kit, you get the carrying pouch here that has a little zippered area for you to carry some products with you, perhaps to the gym or work. Then you get 6 brushes. We have a liquid foundation brush, powder brush, cheek brush, an all-over eyeshadow brush, shading brush, and a slant brush. So you get all 6 of these brushes plus this carrying case for $47 Canadian. So if you have any interest or want any more information on this product or any products that I'm using throughout today's video, please just leave a comment down below or send me a quick little email, as my email will be in the description as well. So today, in Sister James Charles's tutorial video, what he does is he basically works with lighter shades all the way up to a darker shade of orange, eventually into a brown, orange, and a black color. And then he does come in with a cream shadow as well to do that cut crease. So I'm going to start with our all-over eyeshadow brush here. And I'm going to be just dipping that into the Sunstone pan. And I'm going to work in car wiper motions back and forth on my crease on my eye. Right there. And just kind of work back and forth, concentrating there to blend out these products. And I'm not going to be tapping off my brush, just like James Charles states, because you really want the pigmentation from your shadows in this look, because it is going to be a dramatic glam look. So I'm going to be working that back and forth on my crease. Okay. Once I'm satisfied with that color, I'm going to come in with a slightly darker color, and I'm going to be choosing the color Clove. And I'm going to be using a clean all-over eyeshadow brush again. And I'm just going to basically go right over my crease where I put the Sunstone before, just working back and forth again in wiper motions. And you want to make sure you take your time with this. This look is not going to be a 10-minute quick face for the morning. This is a glam look, so you are going to want to take your time blending out your colors so they work, as well as making sure that you don't cake on your powders either, because the more you start caking on your powder, the more kind of muddy it's going to start to look. So next I'm going to go in with the Cannon color, and again, just moving along darker and darker shades of orange. So again, on a clean all-over eyeshadow brush, and just working back and forth in wiper shade motions. You can notice that the eyelid is starting to get a little darker. And I am, as you can notice, I'm pulling out on the outer corner to basically give it that smoky eye kind of V look. And you're not going to worry too much if you get a little bit of stuff on your actual eyelid, because that cut crease is going to come in and clean that right up. All right. Now that I have that done, I'm going to come in with a slightly kind of orangey brown color, and I'm just going to work that into the outer V of my eyelid. And I'm going to be coming in with the color Sequoia. And just right on the outer corner here, I'm going to be working that back and forth. Just to give it a little bit of dimension there. And again, take your time blending out your products. Okay. Next, I'm going to be coming in with a slightly smaller brush. And I'm going to be using our shading brush here. And I'm just going to come in with a little bit of the Onyx black color right in the crease, or sorry, the outer corner of the eye. You want to make sure when you're using this color that you don't go in too strong, because like James says, it can get really bad really quick and it'll look like you actually have a bruised eye. So you want to be very careful using this color. Okay, once I kind of get that in place, I'm going to go back in with my all over eyeshadow brush and blend that out. Okay, now that I have those colors down, I'm going to come in now with our cream color that I created. So like I said, I took our Opal color, shimmer color that Arbonne carries, add a little bit of water and setting powder there, and I'm just going to basically put that on my eyelid as if it was a cream powder. And again, I'm just going to be coming in with a smaller brush again. I'm going to be using the shading brush. If you have a smaller one, by all means use that. But I'm focusing on this 6-piece set, so I'm going to be coming in with the shading brush. And again, just going to be getting on a little bit of the cream product that I created here. And I'm going to take it slow at first, cutting out this crease. So I'm just going to kind of come up closer here. I have my little mirror here down below to kind of see what I'm doing. And you just want to, on the outside of your eye, kind of create a line. And once we get over to the kind of outer corner, you're going to round it. And just take your time with this to make sure that it's all looking cut in and perfect. All right. So now that that is done, I'm just going to quickly come back in with my all over eyeshadow brush and just kind of blend out these edges on the end here, not to disturb my cut crease there too much. So now that that is done, I'm going to come in now with my eyeliner. And on the bottom lash, I'm going to be using our charcoal or carbon pencil gel eyeliner. And I'm just going to be doing that all along the lower lash line. Okay. All right. And then if you have false eyelashes, you can add them on. I actually have eyelash extensions, so I don't have to put any falsies on. But some great ones would be like the Ardell Wispies here, or any kind of dramatic eyelash that you want to use. And then basically you're going to put your mascara on. So to save time, I'm going to do my other eye off camera, and then I'll come back and I'll complete this look. Now that I have both eyes done, I'm going to come back in with my all over eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the color that we used at the very beginning, the Sunstone. I'm going to take a little bit on the bottom of my brush and just go right along the bottom of my lash line here, right across the entire eye. And what I'm doing this for is to smoke out my entire eye here, so it completes the look. And same with on the other side. Before I go in with our mascara, I'm going to be going in with an all-over setting spray. This is the only product that's actually not Arbonne, because Arbonne does not carry a setting spray yet. Hopefully down the line they will. So I'm just going to go quickly in with this setting spray. And in true Sister James fashion, I created my own little fan here, and I'm going to fan myself to get a dry, dewy finish. All right, now to finish off this look, we have to go in with the mascara, like I said. So I'm going to be using the It's a Long Story mascara. And because I already have eyelash extensions, I'm not going to actually be putting mascara on the top lid. But if you are using false lashes or your natural lashes, make sure you put the mascara on the top of your lids there, just so you get dramatic growth. So I'm just going to be using this right on the bottom lash line, just to finish the look off. All right, and then I'm going to go in with the lip color. And today I'm going to be using, in James's video, he has almost kind of a purple mahogany look. And I actually don't have a purple lipstick on me right now, but I'm going to create one. So what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using the color Flora. And then I actually have a purple eyeshadow that I'm going to put over top. We'll see how it goes. All right, let's see how this works out. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Hopefully I done Sister James well with this recreation of his Holiday Glam makeup tutorial. I do have a link to his video down below if you do want to watch the entire video and see the little differences and everything. But again, this look was created solely with the exception of the setting powder, but all with Arbonne products. So again, I'm putting all the descriptions of the products that I use today down below, including the base colors. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave it in the comments. And I hope that you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future makeup looks or anything like that. And I hope to talk to you guys very soon. So have a great day, guys, and I look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.